What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Khalifa Saad, and I'm back with another video. As I've mentioned already, I will be purchasing this house, and my agent finally got in contact with the owner and his realtor team to make the deal go through. We had to wait until he finishes taxes. They're done, so we can start the paperwork on the house. And my friend owns a construction company, so he's gonna come in and take care of all of this rock, pave the parking area, and put up a storage unit here for the bikes. But prior to any of that taking place, I'm gonna start moving some of these rocks myself. And where I'm moving them to is back here. If I sound a little winded, it's because I've already started. And I forgot how tedious and backbreaking this stuff is, so. But you can see I've already started loading rock and dumping it. So that's what I'll be doing today. I'm not gonna record everything, but I will put you guys on hyperlapse so you can see some of the action. So don't go nowhere.
These niggas missing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the shit, but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas I quit it. So much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Ay, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah. Look, shit, I chase hits to make some real shit. Something that they feel shit. Cause all I know is speaking on some shit I really deal with. Like how I and in the morning didn't feel shit. Was tired of being single, so I went and got a real. Like how my homies quit and left this rap. So now I'm grinding, don't know in they absence, look. But I'm still sticking to the plan, cause I mapped it, look. And I don't care about going slow, just not backwards. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to get out the struggle, dog.
So as you all can see, I'm just kind of like skimming off the top, all the way back, just taking off the top layer, and that's when I'm moving. I don't want to dig down too much because then I'll hit the ground, and I don't want it to be muddy out here when it rains. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys back on hyperlapse.
Overly focused and overly thorough. When it's all said and done, they're gonna build me a moral. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Ay, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah. I put in so much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Ay, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah.
It's just freaking backbreaking, and I'm tired. I think I need to take a break. I'll cut you guys back on in a bit. I'm finally finished, and I'm tired. I didn't record the rest of the process, so I didn't want to bore you guys, so I did it off camera. But let me take you guys back so you can see. Everything's done. Had to make sure I left my drainage holes out for my AC, my clean out. So I have 3 toilets in here and 2 showers. That's a clean out for a shower. That's a clean out for a toilet. That's a clean out for a toilet. Don't know what the other one is for the shower because it's not there. But anyway, the only thing left to do now is later on I'm gonna build a gate right here. I've got this right here temporarily so Apollo can't come out this side and then go down that way. Plus, I want to keep him away from my neighbors. I know I've mentioned it before that I haven't had a neighbor that I don't really care too much for. It's just the one on this side. I don't care too much for him, and I know he doesn't care too much for me. He's probably gonna flip when he finds out I'm buying the house, but he can't do anything about it. But yeah, when I first moved in, this house hadn't been occupied for like 2 years. It used to be 2 apartments, 2 townhouses, and the owner bought the property and turned the 2 townhouses into 1 house, which is why it has 2 showers, 3 toilets. Anyway, he renovated it. It is what it is. But he's selling it to me now. But let me back up. As I was saying, when I first moved in, the neighbor was talking about this particular area, and with the house being vacant for roughly 2 years while it's being renovated, the house got renovated and then no one moved into it. I was the first one to move into it after it was renovated. So this whole area was just full of weeds, and the neighbor kept cleaning the weeds out. Instead of talking with the owner or the real estate company and having them come maintain the property, he did it himself. He took it upon himself to do it. Yeah, good on him. But as soon as I moved in, the first thing he said to me was, "Hey, make sure you keep the weeds because I've been taking care of them." Of course I'm going to take care of the weeds if I'm moving into the house, right? But anyway, I've kept the weeds down. I didn't want any issues. But that's a long story short. Now that I put down the tarp and then a rock over the top of the tarp so I don't have to worry about weeds growing up. Everything's done. And this project is done. So I'm going to go ahead and close this video. Make sure you share, like, comment, subscribe. Click on the post notification bell, turn to all so that you know when to drop a new video. And with that, your boy is out. Rah.